Just a quick share for those who experience a fish showing signs of lacking oxygen after a water change. I just experienced that. It wasn't a huge water change, but a small water change, and this guy right here, this butterfly fish, was gasping for air at the top, and it was also floating down to the bottom, trying to hide, which are signs of uh, sometimes distress or not getting oxygen. So what I did was I turned the wave maker up toward the top, and it created bubbles, which I assume would give a little more oxygen. And like 3 to 5 minutes later, the guy looked energetic again, and he started swimming normal, and not necessarily just going to the top, gasping for air like he was, and looking weak. So thought I would share that. It worked for me. Not sure how foolproof that is, but um, it worked moments after the water change and the fish showing signs of being distressed and lacking of oxygen.